Morning, plant and animal science. It is the week of April 13th, which means it's our first official week of distance learning. Exciting. Um, so last night you probably got notifications of a bunch of stuff getting posted. Do not worry. I'm just gonna kind of give you the lowdown as to what's due when, and Google Classroom and how to do different things. So, I want to put your attention to, well, actually, before I get into that, just so you know, like any of your poultry unit stuff, is due on the 15th, which is Wednesday. So, any of you that, I know it says it's due today, but it's actually been extended to the 15th. So, you have a few more days to get this done and get it turned in. After that, the assignments are going to be posted or taken off Google Classroom. No more. And you'll have to keep moving forward as we go through. So, poultry unit, that is due Wednesday. So, I'm gonna show you this document here. I'm gonna keep pushing this to the top so you guys can see. This is the agenda to help you get organized. This has links to the assignments, so if you click on this, the important thing that you should know is that you don't use this document for your, like, to actually write on the assignment. You can click on it and access the documents, but you should be typing on the ones that I have assigned you on Google Classroom, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. But just so you know, we're going to have cattle unit 1. So you're going to, where your first one is dairy cattle unit. This assignment's pretty cool. It's one of my favorites. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be, you need to watch this video and answer the question. Watch the video that I kind of talk about the dairy industry, and you'll need to fill in the blanks here. If the video goes too fast, you can use the PowerPoint here to go at your pace, but make sure you do listen to the video, because I do add some other stuff, and those of you that like to hear things, definitely utilize that video. So fill in the blanks on here, and then this is an optional lab for you. If you want to, you can make butter at home, and all you need is a jar and heavy cream. That's all you need. So there's a video on how to do that. If you do choose to do that, I'll throw in some extra points, and make sure you post a selfie of you making butter, showing that you did the process. So there's that assignment, and so we're gonna go back to this agenda. The next one is cattle vocabulary. The cattle vocabulary is it's a quick assignment. I have a warm up here, so you need to look at the byproducts, and this is a list of byproducts, and give me, what is a byproduct? We've talked about that in class before. And how many of these items have you used in at home in your lifetime? So look at this list and give me a number. PowerPoint's here. Hear it from Schmidt. That's me talking about the topic. So watch the video. And then, same as last time with vocabulary, you need to give a definition and a picture to help you remember these words. So, pretty easy, straightforward. So let's go back to this again. Cattle breeds. This one's actually pretty interesting as well. So we have the cattle breeds assignment. So this one you're going to be posting on a Padlet. So you need to pick a breed, any of these breeds of cattle, and you can use this website to do your research because it has everything on there. And then type this in. So you need to type directly onto your document. Again, not mine, the one that I assign you, which I will show you how to get that. So you need to type in what breed you chose, where they originate, what are 3 characteristics of the breed, what is the breed of cattle used for, is it beef or dairy? Use 2 interesting facts about the breed of cattle and put a picture. And if you go to this Padlet, I've given you an example. And so this is, everyone can post here. All the stuff will go be on the bottom, so everyone can see what you post. So I had Beefmaster. That wasn't one of your options. It's just another breed. So I did the origin, the characteristics, the use, and the 2 interesting facts with the picture. So you posted on the Padlet. You have to do the Padlet and turn this document in on Google Classroom. That's in order to get credit. So you gotta do both. So that is that. So that is the end of this week. And then next week, I'll do another video for next week. But as we're going to continue with cattle, just so you know, I have a fun project here. We're going to create your own cattle ranch. All of this information is going to help you create your ranch. So make sure that you are doing all of these things, because that's what, this assignment won't make sense if you don't understand all of these. So let me know if you need anything. I won't be having office hours tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. But please do shoot me an email if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can. I will be posting more and more later this week, and also I'll be putting in grades I'm going to start inputting today. So you will see that being updated as well. Again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you keep on learning. You're not just sitting there, even though of the situation of our learning environment, it is important to keep growing as an individual and learning and growing that mind so that you can, learn, not only just learn the wonders of agriculture, but just, it's going to help you stay sane in all this and stay busy, and gives you some purpose for your day. So, again, keep it up. I have a pretty good group of kids that have been doing it. So good for you. Others, get on it. Come on, your grade can only go up from here, and it's just important that you stay on top of it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks. I'll talk to you soon.